guys, it's me here. So we're going to take the Benz out for a little drive from the block today just to get it moving again. I'll show you the coolant issue it's having. There we go. Let's go and see what's up. There she is. Don't even know if she'll start. The battery's pretty dead. Just sitting for a few days. See how much coolant has dripped out. Holy shit. Well, that could be an issue. Oh boy. This looks gonna be fun. Yay. This looks safe. Oh, at least it's warm here. Oh, nice and toasty. Oh, who thinks it's gonna start? Well, that sucks. Let's get her boosted. Oh, that really sucks. Okay. I actually thought she was gonna run. Damn. Let's get her going. Gotta find out what that coolant leak's coming from. Okay, let's get my handy dandy booster out. Okay. Okay. This thing is annoying. I knew she probably wouldn't start today for some reason. I had a big feeling. There we go. Good. Plug this in. I really have to hear what the coolant leak is going on. Okay, let's fire her up. Hasn't been running in a while. Let's get her running. She's leaking a crap ton of coolant, actually. Let's let her charge. That really sucks. I had a lot of faith in her. Oh my gosh. That really sucks. Let's see. Nope. Let's give it some more time. A few more minutes. Come on, baby. Don't do this to me, especially on video. She's camera shy, that's what it is. God. My new gear shifter on, eh? Nice leather. Pretty sweet. Gotta get that coolant issue fixed, like seriously. The person who owned it before put the wrong coolant in it, so it has green coolant in it right now. So I gotta switch it over and put authentic Mercedes coolant in it. It's actually super duper important. I'm actually questioning if she's gonna start today. While we're at it, let's look at the head gasket, so I'm probably going to change that. Yeah, I gotta change the head gasket on it. So let's see. Take these bolts off. Yeah, so I gotta take that head gasket out and change it. Fun times. Alright. It's gonna be a pain in my ass. Okay, let's try her again. Says she's good, but I'm still full of it. And look at the coolant. Holy shit. Oh my god. This thing just keeps dripping and dripping and dripping. Damn. I just run already, car. There we go. Let's go see that coolant issue too. She's leaking a lot of coolant. Holy shoot. Tranny fluid's still good. Alright, well let's see if I can put it in the garage for a bit. I can hear that transmission sound again. The bike bike out of the way. We'll put it in the garage and charge the battery for the day. See how much coolant's coming out of her. Oh boy. Yeah, we're gonna have to fix that. Well, I was gonna take her for a drive, but I don't know if I should now. I guess I will. Season drive. I guess I will. Oh, I gotta close this. Oh, great, she's not starting again. Hang on.